Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're talking about moving daylilies. So daylilies come up all over the yard. As a matter of fact, we still have some blooming over here behind the pond. And they can bloom anywhere from June, even late May, depending on where you are, all the way through to September or even October if you find a really late blooming daylily. But when you want to move them is late summer or fall after they're done blooming. And actually, technically, you can really move daylilies almost any time of the year. They're incredibly hardy. What you want to do is just dig them up, and you find that they have these roots like this. If you're going to transplant this immediately, you can just take it and put it right in the garden. But one little trick that I like to do, let me show you. One thing I like to do when I am moving daylilies is I actually cut off most of the greens. So what I'll do is I'll just plant this, and it doesn't matter that the leaves have been cut off. It's late summer, early fall when you do this. And so it really helps the roots to establish themselves. These things are super hardy. You could leave these out for a couple of days and plant them and they still come back. They may not come back quite as well, but in general, daylilies are super easy to move. You just want to get them out. This is the time where this clump, I could divide it into several different clumps. You can see here, so we could do 3 different clumps if we wanted to, or we could stick them in one big pocket. So daylilies, they're really easy to move. You can move them any time of the year. I prefer to do it early spring or after they flower. I find that they come back really easily. Give them away to friends, plant them in a different area of the yard. And another little hint, mark them when they're flowering so you know which color you're moving. I know this is orange because that's all I got over in that area. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.